I'm Beth Boyle, and I'm here to tell you why every barn, every coop, every kennel ought to have one of these in it. And no, I don't have a toilet in my barn, but you'd be surprised how handy one of these is. So go buy yourself a new one. Don't repurpose it, that's kind of yucky. But go buy a new one, and this is what you can use it for. If you have chickens, I bet you have these. These waters, metal ones, plastic ones, they get yucky, right? They poop in them, they stand in them. Clean them with a hose and this. Yep, this style water too. This one's even more difficult to clean. You gotta get your arm down in there, and boy, that brush helps a lot. Do you have horses? Yep, I bet you got one of these. Yep, and they get yucky, right? Yeah, they get yucky. So clean it with a hose and one of these. Yeah, these are awesome. Gets that gunk right out of there. Got buckets? Yeah, same thing. They get yucky, right? Supplements, different kinds of feed. Yep, they get yucky. There you go, another thing. Clean them with this. And again, don't repurpose this. Buy a new one. Do you have one of these? Of course you do. Is food bowl stuff get yucky? Yep. The answer is clear. Again, don't repurpose. Buy a new one. Got a bird bath? Concrete water? Yep. They get yucky too. Yep. There you go. There's your tool. So there's some ideas for you, everybody. Get you an extra one of these. Have one in the barn, put one in the chicken coop, put one wherever you need it. Hope that gives you some good ideas. From Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider.